Announcement: the price increases at the end of this month, so if you want to join us for something special, get yourself booked on. This one is really give yourself the gift of good health, and I'm really not kidding in terms of this, in terms of what I've experienced. This is beyond your regular energy healing. This is the healing activation day. We've got some actual physical tools, technology, things that will blow your mind. You can book now and pay in full, or you can pay a deposit. So go to www.bit.ly/healing-activation day, and that's bit.ly/healing-activation day. You've got until midnight at the end of this month. The deposit is just £47, and that will secure the early booking price for you. So even when the price increases after this month, you'll get the price that is being advertised today. This is a unique collection of cutting-edge, non-invasive activation tools. So you do it all fully clothed. On the day, I'm going to explain to you everything, how it all works. This is just a very sneak peek at some of the things I'll be bringing along. Disclaimer, not making any healing claims. This is about activating what your body is designed to do. It's a one-off event, so unique. So if you're someone who goes, I'll go next time, good luck with that. So get yourself registered now. You'll notice when you land on the page, there's no date. The date will be agreed with those booking in advance to ensure we choose a date that everyone can attend. So everything you need to know is on the bit.ly page. So head on over there, because your place awaits at this unique day. bit.ly/healing-activation day. Get yourself booked on. Now, there are a limited number of places because we're using a private cottage, the same one I used for the photo reading workshop. So thank you for watching. Thank you if you have already booked. And also thank you in advance for sharing. So do the usual social media stuff, give it a thumbs up, feel free to comment, ask questions. Share it if you know there is someone who could benefit from taking part in this event. That would be very, very much appreciated. I look forward to seeing you there. Once you book your place, send me your frequency requests, because with the quantum healing laser, there are 10 different frequencies, and I can actually program them in specifically for you. For those I haven't met before, my name is Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach. Main website is transformationstm.com, TRANCE, F for Freddy, FORMATIONS, TM.com. Click the red Watch New button when you land on the page, and you will see details about forthcoming events, etc. Also, if you're not on my e-newsletter list, where you get preferential pricing, advance notification, volunteer previews, oftentimes free events, you get to test stuff out before I release it, then sign up. There's a box on the top left. And with this particular program, if you snooze, you lose. So get yourself booked on. There are a limited number of places. There are 6 places available, 2 or 3 left. And I say 2 or 3 because a couple of people have said, yeah, I'm coming. They haven't booked yet. So once those places are gone, they are gone, and you'll be missing out on, I think, a wonderful opportunity of a lifetime, maybe even a lifesaver. I would go as far to say that, based on what I have been through myself. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for those who have already booked your place. And if you're on the fence and thinking about it, then, take the opportunity and do so now. And also just to say, this is remind you, this is an in-person event, because these are physical tools and equipment. And I say equipment, with some of them, that you hold them in your hand. And there's one that has electricity going through it, the one we're using, the quantum lasers. But with other things, they're actual physical objects, and most of the time 3 or 4 minutes is more than enough to get the effects and the benefits. So as I said, all will be revealed on the day, but take this opportunity while you can before the price increases if you wanted to make some savings, and I really look forward to seeing you there. Catch you all later. Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach from transformationstm.com, over and out.